the middle of summer, somewhere around 90 degrees outside. You've got an abundance of bananas that need to be used. You're tired of the same old smoothies. It's too hot to bake banana bread. What do you do with those bananas? I'm about to show you. We're making coconut lime banana pops and the easiest banana pudding cups. We're also making some of our little granola ball things that everybody loves. No bananas included, but I'm kind of doing a little snack prep this afternoon. And I may go ahead and mix up the sloppy joe mixture for tonight because I'm pretty sure I'm making sloppy joes. If we end up changing to something besides sloppy joes, because I'm not sure if we could be going somewhere, I can just put that in a container and stick it in the refrigerator, and we'll have that tomorrow for lunch or for supper. We'll do the popsicles first, that way we can get them in the freezer. We're gonna mix them up in the blender. So I'm just gonna put in 2 bananas. Okay. Now we're gonna put 1/2 cup of coconut milk. I'm just gonna eyeball it. There's a little bit of coconut cream mixed in there with it. Since these are gonna be coconut lime banana popsicles, we're gonna put a little bit of lime zest in here. I'm hoping that we'll be able to see a little, you know, speck of lime here and there. I'm just using my little mini grater and we're zesting it right in here. I'm not sure how many this is gonna make. We'll see when we put it in our little popsicle mold how many we get. You could also put coconut flakes in here too if you want to. Like the coconut outshine bars, they have little coconut flakes in them. A little bit of lime juice. Probably about a tablespoon there. And we'll blend that up and we'll see if we need to add any more coconut milk if it's too thick. We'll do medium. We'll go ahead and pour this into the popsicle mold and see how many we get. Because these little popsicle things don't hold as much as you think they will, and sometimes you've got enough and you make more and then you have more than enough. We got 5. I'll do 1 more banana and just do half of everything that I just did so we can maybe get 2 or 3 more anyway.
I'm a little bit taller than him now.
Are you?
Yeah, see? I'm a little bit taller.
I got this popsicle mold from TJ Maxx, but you know, they have them everywhere. You can find some at Walmart, probably even dollar stores. All right, Manny, press that one right there. You gotta push it a little, yeah. Now we should get at least 3 of these. Maybe we'll even get that 4th one over there. Ooh, see, I went too full in that one. Let's see if we can get some of this out of here and transfer it over to this one. So now we'll just stick these in the freezer and move on to banana pudding. First we'll make the whipped cream. I'm just gonna whip some of this up in the KitchenAid over here real quick. You could also make whipped cream in your blender. It's a little harder to get out of the blender, but you know. Also, if you just need a small amount of whipped cream, like you just wanna make an individual serving, meet your best friend. A lot of people don't believe that this will whip some cream. So I'll show you real quick. This is how you do it. And these things are really cheap. This one was $5. I think it was $5 or $6 from the dollar store. You just froth it around. Do up and down motions like this. It really makes it happen quick. So if you're ever like, I'd really like to have some homemade whipped cream, but you don't want to get out your hand mixer or your stand mixer because, you know, you just don't want to make that much of a mess and you don't need that much. There you go. Little $5 frother, homemade whipped cream. That only took like maybe 30 seconds, and I'm making probably 6 of these pudding cups. I'll just get that whipped cream out and do that 2 more times because I really don't need that much for these. We're just gonna put some wafers and bananas in the bottom, some vanilla pudding, and then whipped cream on top with a couple of wafers and a couple of banana slices.
Can I put that in?
Vanilla wafers? You sure can. Here you go. I need 2 in the bottom of each cup, okay?
Okay. I'm getting a little bit taller.
Yeah, you are. here for just a second because I need to mix up the vanilla pudding real quick. We've just got the big box of instant vanilla pudding. So these are super easy banana pudding cups right here. We've made lots and lots of banana puddings. Our favorite, my favorite anyway, is the Magnolia Bakery banana pudding.
I'm getting a little bit taller than the counter.
Okay, you ready? Here comes 1 cup, 2 cups, and 3 cups.
And here comes 1 more cup.
1 plus 2 is?
3.
Very good. Okay, now we'll just sit this over to the side. I'm not gonna put it in the refrigerator to set up since we're dividing it into the little cups because I don't want it to get too thick. It's easier if we can just pour it in. So we'll just sit this over here. We'll bring these back over.
I'm just gonna get 1 more of these. How many of those left over?
Okay. And we'll slice our banana, and I'm just gonna put a couple of slices at the bottom with the vanilla wafers. We like to use, now if I do an instant pudding like this, instead of making a homemade pudding, we like to use vanilla instead of banana. But if you like banana instant pudding, you can totally use that instead of the vanilla. We just like it better with the vanilla. Okay, now we'll bring our pudding over here. So we'll start putting this in the cups up to about right there. When you're ready to serve these, you can put your vanilla wafer over to the side and a little banana slice. I'm not gonna put the banana slices on right now because you know they'll turn brown, but that's how you can do it whenever you get ready to serve them. We'll go ahead and put the wafers in. Just take a little mint leaf. As y'all know, everybody loves these, so I'm gonna make a big old batch of them.
Okay.
I'm putting these in this pan. You don't have to bake these. I'm just putting them in here to put them in the refrigerator, and when they chill a little bit, I'll transfer them to a bag altogether. I'm gonna add raisins to some. Once I get this pan filled, I'm gonna put raisins in the rest of them and put them in a separate thing. pretty much make the Pioneer Woman Sloppy Joe recipe. Not exactly though, like if I don't have something, I just leave it out. But yeah, I pretty much follow her recipe, but I alter it according to whatever I have or don't have on hand. Popsicle time. We didn't get the lime specks that I was hoping for. We'll put more next time. Is it good, Manny?
Mm-hmm.